Oh, I do have mechanic part.
Yeah. The whole area.
All that is
Yeah, that's our
it's a
technical.
Ooh.
Yeah, my car I have from SQ the 6-speed adapter, so I run the Tesla 6-speed in this car. Yeah.
Now in Japan, a lot of people got few company already made an adapter for FRS license.
Yeah,
You got one now.
I have an
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
Because the gear ratio is way better than that.
Here we
Our Tesla one is separated. So if you wanna go J160, people wanna go with close ratio. TLD one is gone. So some people combine with the Nismo one to
Yes.
make it closer.
Yes.
But it's much heavier. But new FRS one, the close ratio
Oh, I didn't
Yes,
realize. I
it's-
didn't realize it was closer.
everyone.
Oh, yeah.
So many companies.
Yeah.
And then because we're in the US, it's easy to get FRS. It's not like, I have to buy, Altezza parts overseas,
His hatch has the J160 right now,
Okay.
and so he'll be doing the FRS transmission
Yeah.
later.
The only problem is either way is that when for the high horsepower people, either one, when you go bigger tire, it's gonna break.
So I only do road racing, no drifting. I heard the argument before because like S15 guys, they're okay on the J160. No? Okay.
Nismo, yes.
Oh, Nismo gear set.
Yeah. In the origin, we used to call it like the transmission made like glass, so it's fragile.
Oh,
So anything over 350,
Right, that's right.
even on the regular truck, even use brake.
oh,
Then Nismo version came out. It's a lot,
yeah. I see.
And same thing about Tesla, HKS, everybody starts saying 3 years trouble kit.
Yes.
But if you get distributor, you get trouble, and go north of 350.
Oh,
Same thing there's FRS ones.
Same thing.
Yeah.
so I'm in Schweigert, right?
Yeah. Let's see. I also have a FRS and I run in 86 Trap Challenge in NorCal.
Mm-hmm.
And those guys have had issues like on longevity and strength issues with the transmission. Also. When they get the oil analysis, there's a lot of aluminum.
Yeah.
Why do you think that is?
It could be anything, but usually biggest problem is when you got too much grip. There's a two-way to brake transmission. One is the driver, which called reflect,
Yeah.
or some people put too much aggressive clutch. So when you talk to company, some companies aim it for more rapid, like instantaneous grip.
Yes.
When you're driving those tight, and if you're shocking transmission, especially upshift, downshift usually a lot of people know how to do here and go. But upshift is the one you brake, right?
Oh.
Right. So that's clutch doesn't slip at all. And one of the reasons we deal with the OSP and when I had a chance to talk to chief engineer guy, Mr. Ismori-san, he explained to us like there's a slight slip
Oh,
to
I see.
protect it. But of course your driver has to protect that too.
What about springs in the clutch disc?
Yeah, it's a good idea,
Okay.
but it can protect so much.
Yeah.
The driver's brake is the best thing.
Yeah.
And the best way, if you wanna get better at the clutch, is let's see. I run it when I have to do Long Beach demo on Grand Prix day. Turbo 4AG, JSP made a manifold, the job made a manifold, and they were pushing about 320. But transmission was 350.
Really?
And the 25-minute session, you have to save like for speed days.
Oh wow.
So every time I come, like I have to grab E-brake or 2020, it's like,
Oh my god.
but it lasted
Because
because I was careful.
yeah.
And
Wow.
actually that technique can be into drifting too. You can control the wheel speed much too.
Yeah.
And that's amazing thing you can do. So in the grip, same way. But let's see, I had the same transmission same car, I try to grip on the balcony
Yeah.
and on the power, so not on the clutch, just holding it, and the split on the right after the wall. There's a pump. When I went over that,
Oh.
broke the grip
Oh.
here.
Oh, jeez.
That's transmission.
Which car?
The right now same engine was in our other rental.
Oh,
Now
okay.
it's pink.
Oh, okay.
So I think the famous video of Cage here
Yeah.
driving, Kevin Chen,
Yeah,
the
yeah,
hustler
yeah,
car.
yeah.
Same thing happened. He
Oh,
went
that's how it
over.
broke right there.
Yeah,
Okay, and that was T50, right?
yeah.
Okay.
TLD GSM.
Oh.
Oh.
What do you think about W58 from 4AG?
It's I think great idea, and the gear ratio is similar, but the problem is nobody makes cross GSM. If for the serious people, then
Yeah.
the gear separation kill the lower of the car.
Yes. Yes.
And once you have a taste of cross gear, cross ratio gear set, you don't want to go back with
Right.
That's
Especially if you
kill
do, you know, the camshafts and other things. Right?
Yeah. So when you look at the gear chart, it's if you don't have to drive the car on the screen, just you can trailer it to the racetrack, and you have to change your mind. Instead of going through first, second, third, what about going through second, third, fourth? Or third, fourth, fifth? Then you can use closer gear ratio. So you have to know fastest speed you at the racetrack. At the same time, then you have to know how to calibrate the speed. And if second, third to separate it, maybe you want to drive the third, fourth, fifth instead of first, second, third.
Yeah.
If you start thinking like that, like my travel car on the for the parking one, and
Yeah.
the gray one
Okay. Yeah.
that we use a time attack,
Uh-huh.
it's turbo for the Atlantic, and making 350 to 450 depends on the use.
Uh-huh.
I still run 535,
Wow.
Oh wow.
and the other car, the big car we drive, we run 5.7.
Wow.
I
5.7.
rather, yeah, I don't have to use the fast gear.
Yeah.
Just use second, third.
Oh, I see. Where do you find who makes those final drives?
For the Supra rear,
Oh, Supra. Oh, okay.
okay. Any off-road,
Yeah.
opinion,
Oh, wow.
pick up one.
Yeah.
So you have a choice from 3.4
Uh-huh.
from Autohaus all the way to 5.7,
Okay.
and come with price of 150 bucks.
Yeah, yeah.
Right.
Oh, yeah.
How about for the AE86 brand?
Only choice you have is 3.4, 3.7, 3.9,
Uh-huh.
and 4.1,
Uh-huh.
and 4.3, and highest is 5.1, and everything's also 700.
Yeah, right.
Yeah,
So
so
where do you get 5.1? What makes that?
5.1 we run the Supra rear.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So that's the idea. And nowadays there's a few ways to make it. Maybe in your shop, you can start making all rear like house because rear performance is
Yeah.
so excellent, right?
Yeah.
So people need the rear to hold 7.5. When everybody just looking into Supras, which is you need armor race for that.
Yeah.
Oh, so just the pumpkin for a
No,
second.
housing.
Yeah,
Housing.
oh, housing.
So any pickup with an F series diff,
Yeah.
they have that. It's too long.
Uh-huh.
You can always cut it and then weld the AE86 this part
Yeah.
and just use the axle
I
for
see.
their performance. Then 7.5 range.
Uh,
It isn't that hard.
I see. Absolutely. And the sploins, are they different? Same. Okay.
Because I think Weir makes Celica Supra axles too,
Yeah.
right?
Oh, I see.
Yeah. That's what we are running in the Formula E when we are using Celica Supras.
Yeah, my feeling is that the axles are maybe the most important one for a lot of people. As long as they're not too abusive on it, you can still replace it with a Ware ring and pinion, but the axles, luckily Ware makes them. So without that, then there's only so many axles to use,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah, totally agree. So we gotta keep him happy
Yeah.
because he's supporting a lot of people.
Right.
Yeah, and his axle is good,
Mm-hmm.
and we love them.
That's good.
And unless you have a, let's see, you start pushing 500 foot-pound torque
Mm-hmm.
and really tired
Mhm.
in 17 or 18, you shouldn't have any problem with his axle.
Oh, I see.
When we start running hunters
Yeah.
in the Formula D
Yeah.
with 650 torque,
Oh, wow.
we start twisting his axle.
Oh,
But when we are running 16 or less grippy tire before,
yeah. No problem. I see. So what do you think is the torque limit for the 6.7 rear end?
one biggest question is whether you have solid pinion spacer or not.
Oh no. Yes, there's salt. Let's say there's a solid pinion spacer. You
Okay.
must have that.
And the quality of pinion. So Toyota one, you can beat that OEM quality.
Yeah.
Aftermarket one, sometimes you have a tough time finding the consistent backlash.
Yeah.
Sometimes you get perfect spot in one spot, but
Yeah.
when you turn it,
I know.
it's short, then
Yeah, I know. And then you hear the noise, right?
that's the toughest spot, right?
Yeah.
Then let's see if you have a Toyota ring opinion and your tire size is common 195 or 205 or max 225. 6.7 with stock axle or ring opinion.
Ring opinion, yeah.
Maybe you can take it to 300, 350 without too much more.
Okay.
But when you go bigger tire size, then it's different.
Okay.
And all depends on who set it up in the beginning,
I see.
the backlash and the pinion depth.
Yeah.
Because if you're in the perfect spot, it will last long.
Oh, yeah.
But if you're too shallow or low, those things,
I'm so sorry.
it's okay. Yeah. That's why it's rubber, right?
I'm so sorry.
No, it's okay. Now you can clean the room.
I will. It will be my honor to clean your truck.
Yeah, don't worry about it too much. Yeah. So that's the setup on the ring and pinion. The pinion depth is the key for longevity and for the power. And expensive.
It's okay.
Yeah.
In California, we have a Techno Square guys.
Oh, yeah.
Or in Orange County, Unit Clubs. They do club.
Okay.
Union High.
Yeah.
That name gets everything.
Yeah.
And if you keep it too shallow, even 150 horsepower, you can break it.
Right.
And then sometimes, surprisingly, we find a few, like a pumpkin. The differential carrier can work.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Oh,
Then you have a weird
yeah.
gear thing. When you measure it with a decent set, you find it.
Oh,
Then
I never even looked for that. Yeah.
you'll be surprised. Yeah.
Is that common or just very rare?
Super old one, or
Yeah.
somebody screw up when they take
Oh, jeez.
this thing, or drifting car.
Yeah, I see.
Yeah, and one thing I just find out recently is when you have those clutch thing,
Yeah.
it kills the crankshaft.
It kills the clutch, right?
Crankshaft.
Oh, crankshaft. Oh.
Which
Yeah.
kills the crankshaft.
Oh.
Like when you rebuild engine by yourself,
Yeah.
you measure how much the straight they are, right? And the heavy abuse 480 like 60 pounds, especially brutal, people
Yeah.
all the time. And man, because
We could hear that it was.
when we are drifting,
Yeah.
and especially travel car,
Yeah.
we never take that left foot from the clutch pedal,
Right.
other than when you're doing a full brake.
Right.
Because turbo car, especially 480 turbos in Atlantic, want 6,000 BOP.
Yeah.
So the moment our PM drop,
Yeah. You gotta keep it.
yeah, but we don't clutch. We modulate the clutch. As you get better, you know our PM is gonna go die.
Mhm.
Then instead of doing hard clutch kick, you can start modulating the clutch before that.
Yeah.
Keep it.
Exactly.
Or downshift. Sometimes.
Yeah.
Everybody gonna go start here. I just imagine my head downshift and the thrust bearing,
Oh yeah.
right? Yeah, it's bad. So let's see, when you find a nice brand new 20 valve crankshaft,
Mhm.
when you put that, like you don't have to clutch kick. And again, when you try to let it out, running like a crankshaft.
Yeah.
Just give up.
Yeah.
Okay. One more question. Where do you see the future for Corolla in the United States right now?
You mean station 111?
Or no, the Hachiroku Corolla.
Okay,
Yeah, what-
86?
The AE86. Where do you see the future for AE86 right now in America?
It's just getting to more like a collector car.
Yeah.
Yeah, and it's gonna have so much tough time just finding a green one. If you
Yes.
find it, it's gonna be super expensive.
Already.
And even junky one is expensive nowadays.
Our customer base is changing from performance to restoration. So we're trying to have parts made and trying to find more, like restoration parts.
Yeah, just like an impulse in Japan, right?
Yeah.
You
Yeah.
start making
Yeah. Right.
body panels.
Yeah.
And those, and good sign is Toyota start making Kia Supra parts.
Oh yeah.
I don't know about A70 Supra, but they start remaking A80 Supra and the A70 Supra.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Really? But,
Really?
Then A86 might,
Hopefully.
come in.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you. I wanna show you I'm lifetime Corolla also.
Oh man, let's start it.
Yeah. Lifetime. Can we have a picture, please?
Sure.
Okay. Oh, thank you.